Hi, it's Walter at Champions Way. Today I basically want to go over and show you how to set up your app ID and your app secret on your Facebook account. What this will allow you to do is to synchronize your lounge with your Facebook account. So whenever you post anything on the lounge, it will post itself in your Facebook fan page. This has to be done basically after your domain name has been masked. So before your domain is masked, you can go into the lounge and basically sync your lounge to Facebook. It will work, but as soon as you mask your domain, it will not work any longer. So what I'm talking about is if I go into my Perfect Mind database, I'm going to go into settings, and then I'm going to go into lounge. As you can see here, I can now Facebook sync. So once I click on this, it will allow me to create a actual sync with Facebook. Alright, so you just have to click on the Facebook sync button and it will walk you through the steps. But before you do that, you have to set up your Facebook app, secret, and ID. So without further ado, let's go ahead into our Facebook account. So log in, then go into the settings on your Facebook account and go to create app. Now in the navigation at the top there, it says apps. Click on it. Now you're going to see that normally if you don't have any apps in here, it's going to basically have the only button that says create new app. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on create new app. Now the app name is what you want to call this particular app. So normally the school name, your name, either way will work. So I'm just going to do it with my school name. And then the app namespace is optional, so not to worry. Web hosting, I am not, so I'm going to go ahead and continue. Now, as soon as you continue, you are going to get the security check, of course. So from here, enter in the letters as you see them. And click continue. Now because I've already verified my Facebook account, everything's already set up, but you are going to get a another pop-up as soon as you do that, and it's going to ask you to verify your account. And within the actual little dialog box, there's going to be verify your account by your mobile number or your address. And right inside the little dialog box, if you click on mobile number or address, that little box will open up. What will happen is if you use your mobile number that you set up your account with, it will send you a text message to your actual cell phone. At that time, you'll enter it. As soon as you've entered it, it will take you into the next step, which is what we're looking at right here. Review status. So now you can see your open graph, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. Now, what I need from you guys is this right here, the app secret and the app ID. So this is what you're going to email to Champions Way. You can send it, you can call into support, or you can send it to the designer you're working with on the website. And if you're doing your own website, then you can just call support, let them know that I have my app ID and my app secret. Who could I send it to? You will send it to them. They will take about 24 hours to set this up in your back end of your website. The following day, you can go into your Perfect My account, and from here, click on Lounge. You will get the Facebook sync. Go ahead and click on it. And then there'll be another button that says Log into Facebook. And you will then go through and follow the steps. Alright, I'm not going to do that because this is an actual just demo database, and I don't want to link it to my Facebook account. So I hope you're okay with that, because I know it is nice to actually have a look from start to finish what actually everything looks like. But basically just follow the steps. It's very self-explanatory. Okay, so we've got our app ID and our app secret, but we still have to finish the information in here. So the app domain, here's where you want to enter your information. So let's go ahead and type in http:// www. sandbox.kwalter.com. So my domain name. You have not generated URLs through one of our partners. That's right. Sandbox mode. We don't need to worry about that. And I'm gonna disable because I don't have that. And then next thing is website with Facebook login. So if you open this, you'll be able to see the site URL. So here you want to go ahead and put in the full address again. And the same goes for the mobile web. So okay, so disabled, and that is all I need right now. So as soon as I hit save changes, it should say accept domain, but should not contain protocol information. Okay, so here is the first error. Right here, basically, you don't need the protocol. So meaning that I don't need this stuff. So just go ahead and put in kwalter.com, and then let's go ahead and save changes. Changes saved. Note that you changes have several minutes to take care. So as a recap, once you get in here, remember that in the app domain, you don't need the www. Okay, so for instance, if you look at the example, it will show you what you want. So just the domain name .com, no HTTP or www. Down below here though, you have to have the full address. Alright, so same as with the mobile URL, the full address, HTTP, www, your domain.com, and then hit save changes, and then up here you will get the changes saved, which is what you're looking for. Then all you need to do, like I said, is email this to one of our support agents or to your designer, whoever you're working with, and they will be able to set this up so that your actual lounge is synchronized with Facebook. And this is once your domain has been masked. So meaning that if you want your website to appear with, you know, www.mykarateschool.com, you will need to do this. If you're using mykarateschool.perfectmind.com, then you don't really need to set up the app ID app secret. This is only for mass domains. Alright, and if you do have any questions, of course, you can call support, and they will actually take control of your computer and walk you through every step of the way to get this accomplished. So either way, you can do it yourself and give us the app ID secret and the app ID, or call support and they will help you through that. Alright, so hopefully this has helped you guys out, and have a very nice day. Thank you once again.